Hey everyone, get ready for some big news out of Istanbul. The city's Transportation Coordination Center just dropped a bombshell. A big hike in public transportation fees. Yes, you read that right. Fares increased by 28.09% across the board, affecting buses, ferries, taxis, and more. So what's the deal? Well, it all boils down to skyrocketing fuel costs. We have seen a 500% increase since 2019, which is hitting public transport hard. Even as the dollar appreciates, Istanbul's electronic card fees have outpaced it, increasing by 700%. Now everyone knew the rent bump was coming, but the initial proposal was eye-watering, 28.09% for everything. Thankfully, after some back and forth, things mellowed out a bit. Public transport vehicles such as buses and subways ended up with an 18% increase, while taxis, minibuses, and other services remained close to the original proposal at 28.09%. Let's break down the new numbers. Electronic tickets, say goodbye to TL15 and hello to TL17, 70. Students are hit slightly lower from TL7, 32 to TL8, 64. Marmara. Fancy a cross-Bosphorus adventure? Be prepared to withdraw TL39, 17 instead of TL33, 20. Taxi hop on, hop off. Feeling spontaneous? It will now cost you TL90. Minibuses. Short journeys, up to 4 km. Went from TL12 to TL15. 50. Long distance is even more valuable, jumping from TL50 to TL65. School buses. Be prepared for a bill of TL 1,065 for the 01 km leg, effective next semester. It's no wonder it's causing a stir. Traveling just got significantly more expensive, and that stings for everyone. Here's the thing, we understand it. Fuel prices are crazy, and running the city's transportation system isn't cheap. But a 28% increase is a big pill to swallow, especially for those already struggling with rising costs.